What's up, guys? It's Chris back at it with another video. Today we'll be doing a full review on the MTM Hydro Cannon or foam cannon. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the video that you guys have been asking for. MTM was kind enough to send me this kit for me to do a review for you guys. We're going to start off with the PF22. This kit is about $84.99 on Amazon with the pistol grip. The SGS 28 adds the total to $129 for everything you see here. The cool thing that I like about MTM is it looks like everything was engineered. It looks like they took whatever model they had before, they took all of the feedback from everyone and made this version better. When you turn everything just notches into place. Somebody took the time to create the notches, and you can hear as I turn, you can hear all of the clicks. So it's like when you're working in the field, when you're washing your car, your hands are wet, you know, you might have gloves on, but you feel it as well as hear it, just to give you that satisfaction of everything turning into place. The cool thing is it gives you both options of shooting vertically as well as horizontally, so you have both ways of getting soap on your car. They also give you both options of the orifices. They give you the high pressure orifice, which is the 1.25, as well as the 1.1 orifice. I do have a lower PSI, lower gallons per minute pressure washer, so I already took the liberty of installing the new orifice. All you have to do is unscrew this and change it with the flathead. Remember guys, righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm getting killed by these mosquitoes. We'll go ahead and tighten this back on. We'll just hand tighten it for now, just for this test. This pistol grip is very solid too. I like how it's very snub nose. On my previous configuration, I had this as well as the lance, the stem that comes out. So I always had to park my car at an angle just so I don't spray myself with soap because I'm so close to it. This is very snub. I could get my hands into very small places. I could reach into things and get everything soapy and wet. So they also send you the stainless steel mesh filters that goes inside the body of the foam cannon itself. So as you get deposits from water, from snow, from everyday use, that might get clogged. And you'll notice you might not see as much foam coming out of it. Then that's one thing to troubleshoot. And that's cool that they send you extra ones. Another thing we'll go on is the construction. When you buy it, they send you like a little bill sheet. So it has all the configurations, all the parts that are there, as well as part numbers, which means this unit is fully rebuildable. If something happens to it, if you don't like how the soap's coming out, it shows you all the parts, and it's nicely numbered, as well as the correlating number on this side. And if you have any issues, you could call them up or send them an email, and they'll be gladly send you the replacement parts. The only thing that changed from the last video is this dispenser I have. I bought this dispenser on Amazon, and supposedly one pump equals 1 ounce of liquid. In the last video we did 5 ounces. We'll be doing the same just to keep everything consistent. And this is the chemical, guys, Honeydew Snow Foam. I'm gonna go ahead, set this foam cannon up, get some soap in here, get some water in here, and let's see what it can do. So this is what it looks like fully assembled. We have our soap in here up to 1,000 milliliters. Everything connected, everything looks tight. Let's go ahead and try this out. As you can see, we got everything set up. Got my pressure washer over there. I got my GoPro on the foam cannon, so we could get both angles of all the foam. Let's go. that was about half of the bottle, and this looks very rich, very almost like shaving cream, and like it feels so smooth on the car. I did wrap the roof recently, so it does give it a bit more of a contrast, but you can see how this soap just like lathers right up to it. Let's get another shot of this. It's the next day. As you can see, it was getting dark. I wanted to put away all of my equipment and get the car clean and ready for the next day. But I really want to say thank you to MTM for sending out this foam cannon for me to review. This is a device that you definitely want to have in your arsenal if you want to wash cars season through season and rely on something that will get you through your job. There's a lot of other foam cannons out there, as you saw in the previous video, that are of a different quality, and I think that they will probably get you through a season or two at most. This is a device that you could attach to your pressure washer, and you could get multiple seasons for your use. Well guys, if you're here for the first time, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.